Students for class N.A.E we are doing, and unit number 9 we will start. As you know students, in previous lecture we have done the file 2 and answer questions. We have done difficult words we have underlined, and I hope you have made sentences by using these words, and question answers learned clearly well. And now unit number 9 we will start. Topic is verb and preposition patterns. Verb and preposition patterns. Students, what is topic? Verb and preposition patterns. So first of all, I will tell you definition of verb and preposition, then pattern we will use in sentences. Here students, you can see I have written verb and preposition patterns. So first is verb. What is verb? As you know, an action and any verb in sentences. An action and any verb mean, example, run, ring, swim and sit. These are verbs. Everybody knows about verbs because we use in our daily communication. Next, preposition. What is preposition? Students, in previous unit you have read about preposition. Again we are reading. A preposition is a word which is placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation. It means that we placed before a noun or pronoun to show its relation in sentences. For example, up, on, in, down, away, into, far, off, etc. These are examples of preposition. Now students, some verbs are which we use in sentences. We use preposition after this verb, and these prepositions are fixed that we use with verb. For example, that wait means इंतज़ार करना, it is verb, and always we use for after wait. Here I have written example, he is waiting for a bus. Here you can see waiting is verb and for is preposition. Students, we cannot use here in, on, up. Another preposition we cannot use here because it is fixed with wait for. Next, yesterday Jamil woke up. Here woke is verb and up is preposition. Woke, always we use woke up. This is fixed. The cat is under the table. Here students, under. It is without verb and we can use here under the table. Under is preposition. Clear students? Here students, they have given preposition that we will use in filling the blanks. Up, on, off, out, down or away in the blank spaces. Yesterday Jamil woke up at 7 o'clock. It was still dark. He got up and turned on the light. He put on his shirt. Put on means students पहनना, shirt पहनना. Put on his shirt and did up the buttons. Then he put on all the clothes, turned off the light in the bedroom and went into the kitchen. Mrs. Ayaz poured out. We use poured out. This is fixed preposition. A cup of tea. After breakfast, he picked up his bag and went to the school. At the beginning of the lesson, his teacher said, "Take out your books, children. Stand up, Jamil." We students always we use stand up. In your class, student teaching, and I think most teachers say that stand up, students, stand up. That is preposition up. Stand up, always we use stand up. Please read out your answers to the first exercise. Then she told Jamil to sit down. Sit down, students. You know that teacher says to you in class that students sit down. So here down is preposition. At the end of the lesson, the teacher told children to put away the books and go outside. Now students, in this lecture we have done preposition and verb and preposition patterns. We have learned that how we will use preposition with verb. First you will learn about verb and preposition. These definition you have to learn, otherwise you cannot use preposition in sentences. And examples I have told you, and then from page number 34 you will learn these fill in the blanks that we have used preposition there. Clear? Allah Hafiz.